Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
While signals the intent to start. Busy with the fine kick going deep into the 3-2-2. Strong carry there by McGarvey. Again with resolute defence. Strong carry there by Pomale. Met in a strong tackle by that man, the inspirational number 8, Luke Bidwa.
Gisborne boys can build some momentum off the scrum here.
Aye, both sides. Haiarawa Kakari. Good scrum from both sides. Woodamu Brayley with the fine take. 1-on-1. Fine run there by Brayley, showing his promise and the threat that he is here. Retrieve there from Tūranga. Tukotahi Richards Tefo with the kick. Doesn't find touch this time. Ludwig well read it. Forces the kick back. Beautiful pass there by Brayley. This man again here, McGarvey with the strong carry against the grain.
Go!
Nice positive counter-rucking play there by Tūranga. Taking this ball quite low.
Possibly putting the first points on the table.
Nice kick there by Ludwig. Nice strong carrier then, again by Te Rogers. Tukotahi Richards Tefo. Right wing Josiah Graham coming through on the cutback of Pomale. Beautiful enterprising play there. Representative this year, successful in their club premiership.
Laka Luffy takes the ball.
And Woodamu Brayley using his gas. Well taken by Ludwig.
Given to Bronson van der Hayden and in touch. Onto Weaver.
Beautiful throw there by van der Hayden. Fine clearance by Brayley. Tavita Pomale with the strong carry midfield. Beautiful ball there to Josiah Graham. It was a good tackle. Advantage here to Tūranga. Tūranga getting a third bite of the cherry. Strong carry. They may not need the advantage. Ooh, try there. Referee Nico happy with the piro. Leon Edmonds not shy of mixing it up in with the traffic. Brayley with the box kick. Well met by Kahurangi Leach Waihi. Ludwig swinging it back to their right edge. Incising run there from one of the Tūranga players. Oh, good interpassing there between Mohini and his front row player Fetu McGee. Inching their way forward towards the 22. In the final moments of this play here, Hamblin. Ball out wide now to the right wing, Maika Taveta. Now forced into touch.
It is full time here at Rotorua.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. Yes, I'm down with this.